This is the Festo training board. This is the manifold. This is the double acting cylinder. This is the 5 two-way solenoid valve with spring return. This is the 5 two-way double solenoid valve. This is the speed control valve. This is the relay panel 3-fold. This is the signal input electrical panel. This is the electrical limit switch roller actuated. This is the buzzer. This is the push button. This is the 24-volt power supply. This is the set of cables. Connect the tubing from the manifold to the port 1 of the double solenoid valve. Connect the tubing from the left of the clamp cylinder to port 2 of the double solenoid. Connect the tubing from the right of the clamp cylinder to port 4 of the double solenoid. Slowly turn on the air input. Test the pneumatic circuit by manually depressing the pilot control. Connect the 24-volt to the rate input of sensor 1. Connect the blue input of sensor 1 to 0-volt. Connect the black input of sensor 1 to port 14 of push button 1. Connect port 13 of push button 1 to either side of solenoid 1. Connect the other side of solenoid 1 to 0-volt. Test the circuit by moving the workpiece to sensor 1 and depress push button 1. Connect the black input of sensor 1 to port 14 of push button 2. Connect port 13 of push button to solenoid 1. Test the circuit by moving the workpiece to sensor 1 and depress push button 2. Connect 24-volt to the CON port of 1LS. Connect the normally open port of 1LS to port 14 of push button 3. Connect port 13 of push button 3 to either side of solenoid 2. Connect the other side of solenoid 2 to 0-volt. Test the circuit by depressing push button 3. Connect 24-volt to the CON port of 2LS. Connect the normally open port to either side of the buzzer. Connect the other side of the buzzer to 0-volt. Test the circuit by extending the drill cylinder. Push either PB1 or PB2 to extend the clamp cylinder. When the clamp is extended, the user can activate the drill. When the drill reaches the workpiece, the buzzer will sound. The drill is not fully retracted. The clamp will not retract. The clamp will only retract when the drill is fully retracted.